2, 3, 4. Watch these action, they won't make their way to the top of that tree using those 3 boards. All fairly close at this stage. It's a long way through this event. There's big blocks on top of those poles. Come on, pick up 3 fella and bring them, help them along, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. They need a bit of encouragement. Very critical that they go well in this heat to make their way to the final, which is held tomorrow. This is very close. Very bit of technique involved in this tree felling. It's an art to cut those board holes. And look at that, the first man up is the current world champion, Mitchell Hewitt, first to the top, second side. Up goes Dale Beans on tree 3, close behind, pulls up Brian Wagner. 3-2 goes up. Josh Adamson. So the first 4 5's up. We're getting the ball up the top now for the second side, but look at number 1 go. Come on, cheer him along there. He's showing you what he's world champion. 3-1, Mitchell Hewitt, the back is drawn off to make his way through the final. The second action is very critical if they get through to the final, so keep them going. Fourth gone through. Brian Wagner. And Dale Beans drives off in tree number 3. It's going to be between 2 and 5 who goes through, and it's tree number 5.